What's up, Katropa fam? This is Anne, your buddy, your friend, your Katropa. Welcome to Web3 and welcome to my world. Okay mga katropa, so titignan natin tong game na to na tinatawag na Wild Forest, no, na under Ronin Chain. So alam naman natin guys, basta nasa Ronin Chain, good game yan. Ayan. So meron tong play to airdrop na ongoing right now. And papakita ko sa inyo paano mag-download ng game at paano makakuha ng airdrop points para mag-qualify sa airdrop ng Wild Forest. First of all guys, in order to play the game, kailangan nating i-download to. Now, all you need is a mobile phone na yan. Karamihan naman sa ating mga Pilipino, merong mga phone na pwedeng gamitin. Pero, if more of desktop or PC user kayo, pwede nyo rin gamitin yan, no? Download lang kayo ng emulator for PC. In my case, ang gagamitin ko is my mobile phone. And nakikita nyo nga dito sa screen ko, ayan, no? So, meron tayong Play Store and Ronin Wallet dito. So, importante na meron kayong Ronin Wallet. Although, pwede naman kayo mag-play as guest. Pero kung gusto nyo ma-save yung mga assets nyo, of course, maganda may Ronin Wallet na kayo. And then, guys, to download the game, punta lang kayo sa Play Store. And then, search nyo yung Wild Forest. Ayan guys, so pag search nyo sa Play Store, makikita nyo agad yung Wild Forest. Now, all you need to do is install. And once installed na siya, click nyo lang yung play. Now guys, when you first start the game, may option kayo guys to either sign in with Sky Mavis or play as a guest. Now, pwede naman na mag-play kayo as a guest, but I suggest that you sign in with Sky Mavis using your Ronin wallet para dun ma-save yung mga assets ninyo. Ayan, so gagawin ko yan, sign in with Sky Mavis at maggagamit ako ng Chrome kasi pinakita ko nga kanina, no, sana maganda kung meron kayong Ronin wallet installed. And scroll down ko dito sa page na to, makikita nyo na pwede akong mag-login using my Ronin wallet. So may konting verification lang para makapagka-continue tayo. Confirm mo lang yan. And then, okay na, connect mo na yung Ronin wallet mo. Ayan guys, so once na-connect nyo na yung Ronin wallet nyo, may kailangan lang kayong isign na transaction, then okay na. Login successful na makikita nyo, you can go back to the game. And then, click nyo na yung continue button after ma-authorize nyo yung Ronin wallet nyo sa web portal, and then it should go into the game na. Now, when you start the game for the first time, guys, you go through this tutorial mode. And I suggest, tapusin nyo yun, gawin yun, para matutunan nyo kung paano maglaro ng game na to. So, very straightforward lang naman, guys, yung gameplay nito, no? Mobile real-time strategy game siya na PvP, no? And then, meron ding card collecting elements. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung cards na meron tayo. And, those are free. Ayan, victory agad. Thank you so much. Ayan. Now guys, ito nyo naman makikita, no, yung mga cards na meron ako. Now, lahat to ay free, no. These are NFTs na nakuha ko lang for free in-game. And makikita nyo rin to sa Ronin wallet ninyo. In fact, no, pwede nyo tap yung Manage NFT on web and then makikita nyo siya. Ngayon guys, pumunta naman tayo sa pinakahihintay nyong information at yun ang Play to Airdrop Season 1 ng Wild Forest. So, paano nga ba ito guys, no? So, for more info, you can actually tap here sa inyong phone or para lang mas madaling makita, no, papakita ko sa inyo information sa website nila. Ayan guys, so pag pumunta kayo sa website nila which is playwildforest.io, makita nyo dito, Play to Airdrop is now live. Ayan, so paano nga ba makasali dito or paano kayo magka-qualify sa Play to Airdrop, no? So, dito nakalagay guys sa info, under info ng Play to Airdrop, makikita nyo dito, how will the rewards be distributed? So, according sa information to guys, yung top 4,000 players with the most honor earned during the Play to Airdrop event will be awarded the Wild Forest tokens. Ayan. So, Wild Forest tokens guys, ang makukuha natin sa Player to Airdrop na to. And additionally, all other players with 4,000 plus honor will join in an airdrop raffle and share 1,000 extra spots. Ayan. So, kung hindi man kayo grinder, hindi kayo umabot sa top 4,000 na yan, pwede naman kayo guys na kumuha ng at least 4,000 plus honor and pwede na kayong makasali sa airdrop raffle. No, 1,000 spots naman yung available na mararaffle off dyan. So, napakadali lang guys kumuha ng 4,000 plus. So, pwede pa kayong humabol guys hanggang May 2 pa itong play drop. So, alam naman natin tayo mga Pilipino, no? Last minute, photo finish, habol lang habol. So, dahil gusto natin humahabol, ayan, habol na. Kayang-kaya pang habulin yan guys. Now, the rewards will be distributed in the form of off-chain wild forest tokens at the game release. Off-chain wild forest tokens can be spent in the game or converted 1-to-1 into on-chain wild forest after the TGE. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin guys, pwede nyong gamitin yan no, sa game or pwede nyong i-convert into on-chain wild forest after TGE, which means pwede nyo yung ma-convert eventually into other cryptocurrencies. So, honor. Kanina pa natin nababanggit yung honor na yan, guys. So, ano nga ba itong honor points na to? So, honor points, guys, are earned for completing Wild Forest play-to-airdrop achievements or holding Wild Forest NFTs. And the more honor you accumulate, syempre, the higher position on the play-to-airdrop scoreboard and the more airdrop tokens you'll receive at the game release. Ngayon guys, para ma-check nyo kung ilan na yung honor nyo, you can actually go to the website and go under quests, log in nyo lang yung Ronin account nyo. In my case guys, I will access it using my phone. So pupunta lang din ako sa website. I'm on the same website. Ina-access ko lang sa browser ng phone ko. And then guys, dahil naka-log in na yung Ronin ko dito, ayan na, makikita nyo na yung mga stats ko. So guys, yung honor points, dito nyo yan makikita under quest. And then makikita nyo rin kung ano yung rank ninyo. Pati yung mga game achievements niyo guys. So for every battle day, may makukuha kayong additional honor points. And then battle wins, every time na nanalo kayo, meron din kayong makukuha na mga honor points. Ayan. So madali namang maka-earn guys. Yung mga battle progress nyo, ayan, lahat yan. Merong mga additional na honor points na pwede kayong makuha. Kaya guys, kayang-kaya yan. Pwede pa kayong humabol dun sa 4,000 plus na honor points na kailangan ninyo. Even if hindi na kayo makagrind para umabot sa leaderboard, kahit dun sa raffle guys, pasok yan. Makakuha lang kayo ng 4,000 na honor points. At ayan na guys, yan na lahat ng information na kailangan nyo para magsimulang maglaro ng Wild Forest and join their airdrop campaign. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Download and play na. And before I go mga katropa, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share nyo na rin tong video natin dito sa YouTube. And kung nasa TikTok naman kayo, please click here to follow for more. And don't forget, join kayo sa Discord community ng Katropa. Yan, magpapamigay tayo dyan ng mga whitelists, free mints, at kung ano-ano pa. I'm going to put all the links in the description box. See you next time mga Katropa.